Guys, just saying, this video is gonna be a fun one. So, we are going to play with my Nerf guns. Okay? Well, actually, maybe something else, but this is just my intro. I don't know what we're doing. I make intros like a day later, guys. And 3, 2, 1, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today you guys are on the tripod, like always. We are going to play with, do you guys just want to play Charlie gun? No, I'm not playing that. That was fun. Yeah, and just saying, we were all just acting. It took us about 50 tries. But anyways, this video is sponsored by Warehouse Wednesday. It's on a YouTube channel called Andrew Schrock. I honestly love their merch. This is one of the merch. Warehouse Wednesday with the Revive symbol. I even have a skateboard of them. So make sure you guys go check that out and like and subscribe to their channel. Okay, but anyways, let's go straight to the Nerf guns. We're in the Nerf gun room. This is the rival that Carson was shooting me with. Oh, Jacob, can you phone for me? Today we're gonna do some Nerf guns. And yeah, let's go find some ammo. So I'm pretty sure there's a survival bullet over here. So guys, all you want to do with these rivals, they are very dangerous. All you need to do though is just cock that back really hard. It's like, it has a lock on it, so like, okay, then you do that. Oh, it must be loaded. Nope, I just got jammed. There we go. It's pretty hard to cock back, guys. And then all you do is just pull this trigger. There.
Shoot one at the camera.
What?
Shoot one at the camera.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot at the camera. This is not that means I don't want to put my camera. No. I can't get this. Guys, watch out. In 5, 4. Wait, I need safety goggles. What? Oh, I hit it. I hit the lower. Yeah. Let's try it again. I hit the lower one. Guys, we're gonna try to hit the camera. Okay, let's try to hit it. Jacob, I can edit it through iMovie. I hit the lower. Guys, I'm now behind the camera. My filmer is trying to, I don't want to get too close. Oh, you hit the tripod. I know where I need to shoot now. Guys, I'm the hacker. I am the hacker. Stop. You missed.
Low shot. Come on, reload. Let's go.
Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm sorry.
Just quick reload.
Ow! Right on the finger. He's got bad aim. Ow. Oh, guys, right on the finger.
Alright, here we go. Take 15.
Hit the. Guy, time him.
Alright, guys, Jacob here. Drew to go up and do something. We're gonna snipe him when he gets back. We're gonna set up the tripod. Right there. Wish me luck.
Guys, there's a lot of things better than Nerf guns. I know you guys don't like them, but another thing's better that I know about. Wait, oh, this is gonna be sick, guys. Don't break my phone, please, please. Oh. Trying to close up the tripod, guys. That's all. Well, I guess we should close it up and tighten that. That's not just yet. Okay, guys. Gucci-ness. Boy, Gucci gang, spread out some food here. Yep. One is awkward, guys. Place you guys down. Gang. No. Okay. Guys. Upside down writing is better on the computer. Let's go show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Look at that. This is upside down. It says I typed my... Wait, let's try to get a shot of it. Oh, there we go. My name is Drew Turkison. That's what it says, guys. Anyways, let's just go in here. Shut it off. And then guys, we are just going to I'm pretty sure that will be it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want me to do. Turn on post notifications, and bye. La. Guys, why can't I say bye? Because you guys are so nice. You guys are so nice. Just bye.